about managing an escalated child and what you can do about it. When kids start to ramp up, it is an instant moment for us to ramp it down. That means us ramping ourselves down. All right. That's what we have to do first. And that's co-regulation. So the minute they ramp up, instantaneously, I've got to come down. I take 2 steps back. I lower my voice. I lower my tone. And I do something that has worked for me over the years. When kids escalate, I begin the de-escalation through validation. Validation. Don't argue. Even if you disagree with them, validate their problem. All right. This is stupid. He's not being nice to me. Whatever it might be. Or that's it, miss. I'm going out and I'm going to punch him in the face. I can understand why you'd feel that way. Believe it or not, when you validate someone's complaint that's creating an escalation, it gives you it takes them down a couple notches and relaxes them, because now they're feeling like they're right. And once I get them there, now I may be able to go in and do what I call de-escalate. So we just have a conversation. Validate, de-escalate, have a conversation. Oh, you know what? I meant to ask you yesterday about the score in that game. I forgot all about it, honey. Can you just tell me what that score was? There I go. I'm getting into a relationship now. I'm getting into some conversation. Then the third thing I can do is teach. Once I get you de-escalated, I can teach you some skills and say, hey, listen, when this happens, here's what you can do. And then I can reintegrate you back into what you were doing in the first place. So first of all, validate, de-escalate, or relate. Have a conversation about anything you can just to get that down a couple notches. Then teach a skill, then reintegrate. It's one of the kind of sequences that I've used over the years to get kids to come down when they start to escalate. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.